Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby. I'm Rosie. In this video, we will be showing you how to create a YouTube channel from scratch with your cell phone. Over to you, Rosie. Not again. What? I left my phone in the car. What? I'm gonna go get it. What are you talking about? The camera is rolling, baby. I'll be back before you say Jack. What just happened? God. That was quick. I got you, baby. Where were we? Whoa. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube channel from scratch with your cell phone. If that sounds like what you want to know how to do, please don't go anywhere, keep watching. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified once a new video goes up. Without wasting much of our time, let's jump into today's tutorial. To create a YouTube channel, you need to have a Gmail account. So I'll go to my browser here. Then I'm going to type gmail.com. I'll allow it to load. So because I already have some emails, so it's going to bring out there. So just click on use another account to create a new one. Then here you're going to select create account and create for myself. So we are here, it's going to bring out a form for you to fill. So you fill in your name, your last name, your username, the name you want to use for your Gmail account, your password. I'm just going to use any name. I am going to use Lucy for the first name and then Gracia for the last name. Then I'm going to type Lucy Gracia, then maybe add 2020 to it, or Lucy Gracia, maybe add 20 to it. Then I'll come down here and type in my password. Just make sure you type in a password you can remember anytime you want to use your account. Then you have to come down here and confirm your password. It should be the same thing. Click on next. So this username has been taken by someone else and this was suggested, so I will use Lucy Gracia 325 for the Gmail account. I'll need to provide my password again. And then come down here and confirm the password. Once that is done, you click on next and allow it to load. So here you're required to provide your phone number. So you're going to type in your phone number in this column. A verification code will be sent to the phone number you provided. Kindly enter the verification code in this column that is provided here. Click on verify and allow it to verify. So I'm going to fill in my date of birth, April, month of birth, my month of birth, April 16th, 1992. Just fill in your own here. Then you choose a gender. I'm going to choose female. Then I'll click on next. So read through this page and then click yes, I'm in. So here make sure you read through the privacy and terms, and then once you're done with that, click on I agree. So we have a new Gmail account. It's that simple. Then I'm going to click here and this will open to a page where I will see a welcome note from Google. To create the channel, I'll click on the YouTube app. So it's going to open up a page like this. So you go to this icon and click there. This is the previous account, so I'm going to click on this drop down here. So this has channels already, so I'm going to click on this plus icon right here. So you type in the email you just created. In this case, we're going to type in Gracia325, and then I'll click on next. Wait for it to load. Then they will request for a password. Then you go ahead and type in your password here. Then you click on next. You're going to see a page. Make sure you read through the Google Terms of Service and then click on I agree. So here we have a new channel. You're going to see this page. So I'm going to click on this little icon here with letter L, and it will bring me to this page. Then I'll click on your channel. You can change your name right here, or you can just go ahead and create your account with the name you have if you want. So in this case, I'm going to leave it like this, and I'll click on create channel. So you have a new channel right here. You are free at this point to start uploading videos to YouTube. So I'm going to click on settings here. If you have a channel description, you go ahead and fill in your channel description right here. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the description for this channel. This is a beauty channel, and I'll click OK. So our channel is set. Now to set the picture, so we'll go back right here. If you want to upload a picture, you're going to click on here, manage your Google account. So right here, you're going to click on personal info, and it will bring out options. I want to upload a picture, so you click there, then come over here and click set profile photo. Here it's either you take a photo or you choose a photo from your gallery. So I'm going to choose one photo from my gallery. It's going to bring out lots of pictures from your gallery. Then you choose the one you want to upload to your channel. So I'm going to use this one right here. Then I'll adjust this. Then I'll click on accept. Allow this to load for a while. If the photo doesn't show immediately, you might need to log out and log in again, and you'll see your photo. If you have a video you want to upload, you can just click right on this video button and it will upload. So this is all about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and feel free to share. Until next time, guys, I love you all, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.